Hello, Highlanders. Welcome to the University of California, Riverside, and the start of a new academic year. I'm Chancellor Jack Hu. Today, I'm joined with two of my colleagues to welcome you and to share an important message. UCR is committed to your success. To be successful, you will need to immerse yourself in your studies and in the Highlanders community. This is a time of discovery, a time to discover more about the university and to discover more about yourself. Stay curious, connect with others, and we're excited you are here.
Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Haynes, and I have the privilege of serving as your Vice Chancellor for Student Affairs. One of the keys to your success is learning to take care of yourself, your whole self. And in order to be the best version of you, I encourage you to get involved in one of the over 500 clubs or organizations we have here at UCR. These include student government, explore campus life, and don't forget to support one of our outstanding Division I athletics programs. There are many additional resources here for you as well. Remember, you don't need to do it alone. Lean on your Highlander community. We're all here for you.
I'm Provost Liz Watkins. In the classroom, please stay engaged. Go to class, ask questions, do your assignments. Take advantage of office hours to learn even more from our world-class faculty. There are also lots of opportunities to learn outside the classroom. Real-world research, internships, and study abroad are excellent experiences that can help shape your future.
We look forward to a great year ahead. Ready?
Set.
Succeed.